Subordinates, emissions, nicht możny. Stop loss, put it back down there. TP over 75. TP 75. 75. Alright, we're cooking with gas. Come on. What's happening? Lovely little piece of kit. You know, technology, man. Oh God. Oh God, oh no. Oh no. Come on. Should we be worried? Yeah. Nothing's a sure fucking thing, right? Nothing's a sure thing. She's gonna pop. Yeah, she's gonna go. I think she's gonna go. Oh, fuck. Come on. Fuck. Are you fucking serious? I'm gonna get fucking stopped. I'm gonna get stopped. She's coming for my stops. She's coming. Might as well reduce the risk a bit if she's coming. You know what I mean? If she's gonna come, she's gonna come. So, take off a little bit more risk. What? Oh yeah. So I'm currently in a country totally legal. It's for my nerves. For me nerves. This is a bad setup, actually. It's a bad setup. You know why? This green dashed line here and this one here, I think it's gonna chop in between those two. Previous New York close. They're close. Or it just fucking runs up. That's the other option. Could do that too. Come on. Let's go. Oh, no. So do I cash out? Do I take my profits? It's too late now. Fuck. You fucking dirty he. It's fucking not easy, man. It's not easy. It's not easy. Oh no. Fuck. Oh no. Oh fuck around, man. Fuck. Oh no. Yeah, that fucking New York close. It's gonna stop me out. It's gonna go to the fucking next New York close. It's gonna chop around. Yeah, it's messy. It's a messy. It's a chop zone. Chop zone. You know. Choppy, 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 choppy. Let's see what happens. Hey. Hey, it's going up. It's fucking going up. Look at that. Look at fucking that. Look at that. Okay. People, this is the Switchback trading model. Okay, I'm fucking high right now. I'm trading it. You're seeing this happen. It doesn't get any easier. High was made to a low, right? There's a low, 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 high. We're gonna get fucking tagged here. And we're done. Done for the day, motherfuckers. Or are we? I don't think we are, man. I think we're just getting warmed up. This is gonna hit the 100% retracement. Anyways, I'll continue explaining it. A entry criteria is price getting above the right there 25% retracement. So once it climbed above the EMA and started closing above, okay, that's bullish. You put your stop here. So we took a bit of heat, nothing major, and then boom, we had a profit target at the 75. But look at that. You see that? It just fucking wicked it. It wicked it. You're telling me there's not something there? This is the Switchback trading model, SBT model. Scalping, it doesn't fucking get any easier than this, mate. Exact entry signals. So it's 51 up to 82, 30 fucking point scalp. 30 point scalp, but if you held, it hit 98. Jesus, that's a 50 point scalp from this baby. Oh, yeah, okay. Is she going still? She's still going. Fucking let her go. Let her fucking go. I think she might be done though. Okay, so till the next setup. Laters.